Good. How many trees you people planted today?
Sir, more than 20.
Good. Why should trees be planted? What is the advantage of planting trees?
Sir, it is better for the environment, better for people also. It
Hmm.
provides so many facilities to the public, like
Hmm.
oxygen and all the necessities, basic necessities like fruits and all.
Hmm.
And trees are very important for the for environment, sir. Say it helps in many ways for providing us medicines also.
Hmm. I think somewhere they used to say that uh, the trees, they bring rain. Rains are brought by trees and all that. Of course, what you said is right. Production of more oxygen.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
That is also
Yes.
a good thing. And above all, yeah, on summer days like this, shades, shades are also given
Shades,
only.
yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Shades are also. So, just I'm putting in Chat GPT importance of trees, what it is telling us. Importance of trees, I will show you. Yeah. Let us make use of the artificial intelligence, Aman. It's available before us now. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let us make use of it. Now, please read the title only. What these are the important
Yes, sir. I
for
can say
variety of.
here are two,
Uh,
4 to 5 points are there. Oxygen production, carbon dioxide absorption, erosion control, habitat for wildlife, aesthetic value, wood
aesthetic
production.
value. वो क्या है पढ़ लीजिए aesthetic value क्या पढ़
Trees
लीजिए.
provide beauty and sense of tranquility to the environment, enhancing the quality of life for people.
Then
Wood production, economic value, culture, historical significance.
वो क्या है पढ़ लीजिए.
Trees are often revered in many cultures and have played important roles in history, including as symbols of peace, wisdom, and spirituality. Yeah, sir, it's true.
Yeah. In fact, in Tamil Nadu, some of the trees are being worshipped as god also.
Yes, sir, in India also, sir, not in Tamil Nadu, but there are many states. I have seen that people used to worship trees.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. So the points are oxygen production, carbon dioxide absorption, erosion control, habitat for wildlife, aesthetic value, wood production, economic value, followed by cultural and historical significance. Good. So we are starting with a very good topic, Mr. Aman Kumar. Aman
Yes, sir.
Kumar, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now I hope you are further equipped for answering questions
Yes,
relating
sir.
to
Yes, sir.
SIDBI. Yeah.
Sir, I'm appearing for Federal Bank.
Aman Kumar is appearing for Federal Bank. I mistook you for your number is what? 70541.
No, sir, 9310248551.
अच्छा आपको आज समय नहीं दिया ना दिया है. I think I have not given.
Sir, I have my mock interview with you on Monday and Wednesday.
अच्छा अच्छा not today. तब ठीक है तब ठीक है. So I thought you have come for mock interview and I mistook you for another guy who is to come for mock interview now, and he is going for SIDBI, and he is a guy who is already working in State Bank of India. Keeping him in mind, I was talking to you. He is already an
Okay, sir.
office. He is already an officer in State Bank of India. Mohit. His name is Mohit. One day he was there in our interview also, and I don't know whether he's going to come. If he's not coming, then I will go to our another person, next person online, Arushi online. Maybe he's not ready. No, I think he's not coming. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Good. Now, before that, Aman Kumar, do you have any doubts or questions regarding your Federal Bank interview?
Sir, I don't have any particular question right now, but sir, I want to ask you one question.
Hmm.
Sir, how NBFC are different from banks and how they are giving competition to banks? Sir, I want to know this answer. I know that NBFC is more of similar to banks, and they are similar to banks, but they don't have had that full license. But they are accepting deposit from the public and providing services like banks only. But how they're giving competition to bank, I want to know the answer.
Yeah, yeah. See, actually, this we can search here that it is a very famous question in Google, namely differences between NBFCs and banks. Differences between NBFCs and banks. That is a favorite question. What is the main difference between bank and NBFA? Are you seeing the screen now? Are you able to see the screen, Aman?
I'm able to. Yeah, sir, I can. But right now I can see only Chat GPT screen, sir.
Oh. Oh. Differences. Where did I put it? Yeah, here it is. I'll show you. But I can tell you orally, but that's different. Orally
Yeah, sir,
speaking,
sure.
orally speaking, NBFCs are registered under the Companies Act. The banking companies, banks are registered under Banking Companies Act, Banking Regulation Act 1949. Then NBFCs cannot have, say, demand deposits. Some NBFCs do not take deposits at all. Those who take deposits, they can take only fixed deposits and they make advances. But banks can take demand deposits, fixed deposits, they can make advances. And in fact, some of the banks are universal banks like Federal Bank, where they do all other types of business, like canvassing of insurance policies, canvassing for mutual fund products, providing of locker, issuing of letter of credit, issuing of guarantees, and by thereby, and also doing foreign exchange business, doing government business. Likewise, they become a universal banker, whereas NBFCs do not perform those functions. Okay, then NBFCs are not participating in clearing house because they are not member of demand. They don't have demand deposits. And also now how they are posing competition to banks. Number one, they raise deposits from the public offering a higher interest rate. So public are attracted towards that. So they go and deposit there. They also offer competition in terms of loans, where many of the NBFCs, they are very slightly, they are not very rigid in their rules and regulations for implementation for their borrowers. So many borrowers, they go and take loans because they process the loans quickly than
And sir,
the
what about the interest rate, sir? Interest rate, are
interest
they
rate.
charging higher
Interest
or
rate
lower?
may be higher,
Okay.
but still people are willing to go there. They are not bothered about it. So that is the situation. That is the reason why they are offering competition to banks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, any more points you want to add?
One more point is bank deposits are guaranteed by DICGC up to 5 lakhs. NBFC deposits are not guaranteed by DICGC. Okay. Could you
sir.
follow? Yeah, that's all. This much
Yes,
is
sir, yes,
sufficient. More than sufficient. Yeah. Now,
Sir, one more question, sir. How you what is the difference between normal banks and universal bank?
what banks?
Sir, universal bank.
Universal Bank and
Sir, normal banks.
Acha, acha. Universal banks are those banks which can do all types of business like deposit collection, advance making, then doing other ancillary services like, as I told you, the policy mobilization, then mutual fund products, wealth management services, then making of remittances, then accepting of things under safe custody, giving lockers, so many things. Whereas, and also foreign exchange business. Whereas other banks like payment banks, they are not supposed to make advances. They are supposed to take deposits only up to 2 lakhs. Whereas in the case of small finance banks, they are actually meant for small industries and also agriculture. So their main job is to go into rural areas, give more of agriculture advances and also MSME advances, etc. And they have to give 75% of their advances to priority sector, whereas commercial banks have to give 40% of their advances only to priority sector. This point can be told. Today only I saw one news report stating AU Small Finance Bank has been permitted to deal in foreign exchange. That is the first time. Normally they were not allowed to do foreign exchange business and all. They were not allowed to do that. Now they are permitted to do that. I'm not sure whether small finance banks can maintain, say, NRE account and FCNRD account. Do you know about it? Did you see about that?
No, sir, I'm not aware of
No,
this.
now I will put a question here. Can Grameen, sorry, can RR, sorry, what is that? Small finance banks and small finance banks maintain NRE, NRO accounts. I'm just asking question. Can NRI ask a resident? Oh, small finance savings banks also. Equitas Bank can open NRI accounts. Yes, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, they can open non-resident external rupee account also. That means small finance bank can do the business of NRE and NRO and all that. Possibly they can't do FCNRD. Whereas now AU Small Finance Bank has been permitted to deal in foreign exchange. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Next is Vinish. You are appearing for which interview?
Federal Bank clerical post.
Okay, good. What is the mock interview date I have given you? Not given.
Sir, actually, my interview date is not given. So I did not.
Okay, no problem. So very nice. Thank you so much. Now it is nearing time for Arushi. Arushi,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
Good evening, sir. I'm fine.
Good evening. Yeah, 1 minute. I'll